First off, what kind of got you sparked on artificial intelligence?
Well, I mean, it's fascinating, right? Something that sounds like a human but isn't. And I realize a lot of people they will replace the word fascinating with scary, and I get that, right?
Yeah.
And I'm happy to address that as well. In fact, I've got a video coming out on my socials. I shot it this morning, which really addresses where I think that the reality of where it is from a fear standpoint. But and so it was like early December, and I just kind of started digging in.
This is 6 months ago.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, look at how far it's come in 6 months.
Oh my God, you're right.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, the way I developed in January is completely different than the way I developed in March, completely different than the way I developed now. So I went out and I taught myself Python. And when I say I taught myself Python, any real, Python developers out there would, laugh at me. But I taught myself enough. I taught myself what I needed to know to create a product, a base product, and then I started bringing some developers on to really fine tune that and put it together the way that it should be. But that was early December. I loved what it could be, and everyone was using it as a toy, asking it goofy questions, and having it write their essays and all of that. But the truth of the matter is, it can be a tool, and so I wanted to figure out, okay, well, how can I make this a tool?